Welcome to Haven's Luxury Metals and Men of Metal. We're your local fabrication shop focused on metalwork from a USA-made, handcrafted perspective. So we work with all materials that are made out of metal. We're talking about stainless steel, pure copper, premium brass, and aluminum. We have the ability to supply metal, work it all the way through. That involves forming, welding, finishing. Everything you can dream of out of metal is possible here at Havens. Now, we even offer services that aren't necessarily metal, but involve the category of metal. We're talking about sandblasting, powder coating, making repairs to pieces, getting the rust off of parts. Anything is possible when it comes to working with this metal that we do here every day. Now, we operate in about an 8,000 square foot facility right here in Edgewater, Florida. The surrounding areas are New Smyrna Beach, Central Florida, Orlando, and we service all of these areas. We even offer mobile welding services where we come to you. We offer limited installation services, but ultimately our key niche here is going to be the handcrafted metal fabrication. So what we do on a daily basis is making everything from kitchen sinks, fire pits, rain hoods, backsplashes. We even make small copper mule mugs for customers that want a finer thing to enjoy as they're sipping a beverage. All right, so now that you've had a look around, the next step is to get started with scheduling either an on-site measuring, a demo to view one of our products, see them in action, a shop tour to meet the team, or even just a consultation where we go over some of the project details with you on the phone, working with one of our designers. Now, if you get started with Havens, we're going to offer you free metal samples, we're going to offer you free advice, and we're going to offer you really the best solutions to bring your dream to life when it comes to metal. Like I mentioned before, we can do anything you can imagine out of metal. So the possibilities are endless. It's up to you to connect with our team today, and that'll be the best way for us to get started. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna get back to work now.